Imagine an AI tool that builds any kind of AI agents all by itself. You heard that right. You've probably wasted hours trying to build automations in N8N or Zapier. Tons of nodes, endless configs, and you still don't get the output you want? Use String Alpha. Even if you have zero knowledge of building AI agents, you can build one with just a prompt. So I'll write this prompt here. And then click here. Now it will analyze your prompt and make a plan. You get 4 million free tokens, which are enough for building a small project. Once the plan is ready, it will ask you to approve the plan. You can also click here if you want to auto-approve. So I'll just click on Approve Plan and Start. You can see the live progress here. AI will now create modules based on the plan, so let's just wait till the AI builds it. Okay, so now if we click on Preview tab here, you'll see what it has created. Look, AI created all the modules all by itself. Now you just need to connect your OpenAI and Gmail account to receive the output. Now you'll be asked to run a test of the workflow, so just click on Test here. And after you're satisfied with your build, just click on Deploy here, and it will automatically deploy the workflow. Make sure to watch this video too. I've shown how you can use Seedance 1.0 Pro for completely free.